How did the ancient Egyptians build the pyramids? How did ancient Egyptians build the awe-inspiring pyramids, some towering over 450 feet tall? Theories abound, yet the true methods remain a captivating enigma. These towering wonders were not just tombs, they were feats of engineering brilliance that continue to baffle experts across history and science. Imagine transporting massive limestone blocks, each weighing several tons, across miles of desert. Ancient workers may have used sleds, water to reduce friction, and ingenious ramps. Recent discoveries even hint at large, interconnected canal systems to bring materials closer to construction sites. Early logistics on a mind-blowing scale. The pyramids weren't just enormous, they were extraordinarily precise. Aligned with astronomical bodies, their construction required advanced knowledge of math and geometry. Laser-sharp accuracy in a time without modern tools raises the question, how did these ancient builders achieve such perfection? From alien involvement to lost technologies, theories about the pyramids spark endless debate. However, new evidence, like ancient hieroglyphs found near quarries, sheds light on skilled laborers who worked in teams, showing what human determination and innovation could achieve over generations. The pyramids encapsulate the genius and grit of ancient civilizations. Dive deeper into this mystery in our documentary and explore the ingenuity of human achievement. Don't just wonder, watch, learn, and marvel. Stream now and unlock the secrets of one of history's greatest puzzles.